Hingga website no by tini wahani hai video update ke terlalu fajar. Ke website no pila no video no thambil title no kunyo kam ke sai makna ba kam ke puji makna tini video bawa hang no. Hingga website tini video bawa baca. Hani hai belai kono sin TISF ni sini sarsong. Hani hai tini calo hani hai sini Roman script no tuinai. Belai kono hani sini naitok di prasal lo korong no. Kok kesar kaya ba belai kono bono tuinai kam ke sobai coba wi sai kenari ka sini lo korong no. Tapi amni yang lo bahasa kasini or sarsong. Jeng hani hai sini Roman script no jeng palbak sekelainya sana nenang nai nai. Nikisi jeng sini Roman script man hanya jeng man nai nai. Abno no jeng kesak kosong kofur hinjau ini jeng joto no tamjang nanang nai nai. Sini Roman script santani jeng diperasa palbak sekelainya joto kabak sa tamjak kelainya sana nenang nai. Nikisi mana nai nai cakap sini osar. Pada kebab jeng biji kok siahui. Hanya jeng sini osar song sini Roman script no tuinai saman no tuinai jeng kisah kam ke bong ni kong ni bisinte ba maple bisinte. Jeng kisah kami kau kena nyala na. Hingga website kisah kami kena itu di tini rumah pleno.
आज के देखा करो चंद की विषय है की विषय आलोचना हुई
आज हम लोग TSF आप लोग सब जानते हैं आज मेरे साथ मेरा वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है मिस्टर जॉन और मेरा चीफ ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सेक्रेटरी मिस्टर विकास और टाउन और कॉलेज कमेटी का प्रेसिडेंट मनीष और मोस्ट सीनियर लीडर एंड एक्स TSF लीडर मिस्टर Rajeswar Devarma is also here with us and we are very thankful to him also. आज हम लोग CM की बुलावा की वजह से हम लोग आज CM क्वार्टर में आया। आप लोग सब जानते हैं TSF स्ट्राइक कॉल किया था 21 मार्च को इन डिमांड्स ऑफ द कॉकब्रोक लैंग्वेज स्क्रिप्ट। आज हम चीफ मिनिस्टर से मिला है, वो खुद बोला है कि आप लोग का demand is very genuine and he understands very much what the students are facing and what the people are facing, and he have said that he understands very much and to kindly wait because he will be speaking and meeting his leaders, talking to them, and he said that yes, TSF is doing good thing and we are definitely raising voice for our people and our students especially. He understand and we are very thankful to him that he have called us and meet us and discuss regarding the issue of the Cockburg language.
So, are you continuing your strike or you have withdrawn that indefinitely?
As we have met the CM and he have said that definitely he will be discussing the thing. So, for now we will be withdrawing the movement, but we will keep on with the continuing the movement by forming the committee, joint committee comprising of the TSF and other organization and all the like-minded organization.
Also, one thing we have while speaking with the media, the Tripura Motha Supremo Pradyut Kishore Devarma had given a suggestion that instead of including Cockburg in the age schedule, and if it is included in the age schedule, it will become a central government issue. Why not put it, we resolve, means our state government resolve it. So how do you see into that development?
See, we also say the same thing. We are not demanding right now for the age schedule, but it is the matter of a state subject. So we have asked him to understand and put it into the state subject. As we are not demanding the age schedule, like even Mizoram, Meghalaya and Nagaland, they are writing in Roman script. So we have said even all these things to him and he very much understand, and he said he will definitely will be looking into it.
There is a wrong conception also that perhaps you are against the present language in which it is said. So what we would like to clear that matter, that should Cockburg have two options, both options, and people prefer whichever language they prefer.
See, we are not against any language and any script. We respect all the script and language. That's why, see, we even respect the Basa Andalan. That's why we understand what the people face due to the language issue. So definitely we have asked the CM also that yes, both language should be kept and both languages should be respected on the basis of script, both Bengali and Roman script.
People will be given the option.
They have said yes, but we will definitely be looking at it. The option will be given.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. বৈঠক হয়েছে, সেখানে কি আলোচনা হয়েছে?
স্ট্রাইক কালকে উইথড্র করা হচ্ছে। আমরা সিএম এর লগে দেখা হওয়ার পরে সিএম এটাই বলছে যে yes he will definitely looking into it regarding the demand of TSF এটাই বলছে। সো ফর দ্য টাইমিং আমরা এটাই বলবো স্ট্রাইকটা উইথড্র করা হচ্ছে।
মানে কালকের যে আন্দোলনটা সেটা হচ্ছে না, সবই থাকবে।
হ্যাঁ,
সব কোনো জায়গা তো হবে না,
না হবে না। তবু আমরা কমিটি ফর্ম করবে, উইল কিপ কন্টিনিউইং দ্য মুভমেন্ট।
সিএম কি কিছু বলেছে কবে নাগাদ আপনাদের এই রোমান্স স্ক্রিপ্টের যে দাবিটা সেটা নিয়ে মানে তারা সরকার আপনাদের সাথে আবার পুনরায় কথা বলবে বা এটা লাগু করা হবে?
না, সিএম এটাই বলছি, সিএম দেখবো এই ম্যাটারে। He understand the issue what students are facing, so he said that yes he will definitely be looking into it.
মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর আশ্বাসে আপনারা স্ট্রাইক উইথড্র করছেন?
Sorry,
মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর আশ্বাসে আপনারা স্ট্রাইকটা উইথড্র করছেন?
Yes, we have trust the CM, so for the timing আমরা এটাই স্ট্রাইকটা উইথড্র করছি।
থ্যাংক ইউ।